Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. My husband and I recently discovered a fantastic stainless steel shaker bottle by Greatyos. We absolutely love using it for post or pre workout protein shakes. It's perfect for carrying water, electrolytes, and the double wall vacuum insulation keeps my beverage cold for over 24 hours. I also appreciate the carry handle, which makes it convenient to take everywhere, whether it's to school, work, or the gym. The twist top lid is leak proof, making it ideal to bring your bottle in your gym bag or work bag. Plus, the measurement inside the bottle ensures I can make the perfect drink every time. One thing I've noticed about shaker bottles is that they can be quite noisy, but this one, however, is surprisingly quiet as you can hear. It mixes your protein powder perfectly as well. This mug has a wide mouth, making it super easy to wash as well, and it fits perfectly in your car's cup holder. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality and versatility of this stainless steel bottle by Great Yoles. And that's my point of view.